Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows updates, GPU model, and free disk space, because mismatches often cause DirectX failures. Next, install the latest DirectX runtime and Visual C++ redistributables to supply missing DLLs. Once done, update your GPU drivers from the vendor and reboot to clear driver locks. Make sure to run Bo7 as administrator so it can write configs. These steps remove common library and permission causes and prepare the system for deeper fixes. Now you tackle configuration. Force a specific DirectX version in the Bo7 launcher or the game config because the wrong API causes crashes. After that, verify game files or reinstall shader and binary packs to replace corrupt assets. Next, reduce in-game graphics settings, lower resolution, disable ray tracing, or switch APIs, since heavy effects trigger driver faults. Once these changes are applied, restart the game and watch logs. They reveal failures, so you know whether to retry a different API or revert a change. Finish by clearing shader caches and deleting the game config folder so Bo7 regenerates clean settings. This resolves leftover corruption. Then, examine Event Viewer and the Bo7 log for DirectX error codes to understand the cause. If problems persist, test your GPU with another DirectX game or run Windows in safe mode to isolate driver versus hardware issues. One key troubleshooting tip: try an older driver if newer ones fail. Drivers can introduce regressions even when they claim fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.